floor it. Green, green, green. Okay, let's find a good rhythm, make some places. The guy in front is Lindholm, B license. Car right. Still there. Still there. Hold your line. Hold your line. Still there. Hold your line. Clear right. Car right. Clear right. Thirteenth place. That was 103.75. Car left. He's still there. Clear left. Car right. He's still there. Still there. Still there. He's still there. Car right. Still there. Right side's clear. Left side, clear left. On your right. Still there. Clear right. On your right, car right. Right side's clear. The guy in front is Shipper, D license. Left side. Still there. Still there. Clear left. 14th. Well done. Eyes front now. The guy in front is Lindholm, B license. 10 minutes to go. That's 10 minutes left. There's an incident. West Bend chicane. It looks like Macedo. Car left. He's still there. Clear left. Left side. Clear left. Right side. Still there. He's still there. Clear right. There's an incident. West Bend chicane. It looks like it's Thomas. Car left. Hold your line. Clear left. Car number 20 has been disqualified. You have 8 incident points. B13. You're reeling Lindholm in. The gap is 0.30. Car right. He's still there. Hold your line. Right side's clear. The next car is Macedo. P12. We're looking alright here. Keep your concentration nice and smooth. The car ahead is 1 lap behind. On your right. Still there. Still there. Hold your line. Hold your line. Still there. Clear right. Car right. Still there. Clear right. Car left. He's still there. Still there. Clear left. B13, keep it together, come on, the race isn't over yet. You're halfway home, got plenty of fuel. The next car is Silver, D license. On your left. Still there. He's still there. Hold clear left. That's the stuff, we'll have some more of that. Left side. He's still there. Clear left. Car clear left. This guy's got a bad reputation, watch yourself when you pass. Brown, D license, B12. Max, car number 11, is now leading. 5 minutes to go, 5 minutes left. You're reeling, brown, in. The gap is now 0.8. Your lap times are improving, this is good. Car right. Hold your line. Still there. Right side's clear. Good move, mate. Push now. We can catch up here. The guy ahead is Macedo. Rodriguez, car number 8, is now in the lead. Beep car left. Still there. He's still there. Clear left. Shipper has just been disqualified. That lap was a 102.79. P10. Thomas has been disqualified. Just 2 minutes left, 2 minutes to go. That lap was a 101.84. White flag, last lap. Clear right side. Still there. Still there. Clear right. P10. And there's the finish. Good result, mate. Well done. That's the end of the session.